Hey guys, my name is Akshad. I am a software engineer at RCCM. This video is brought to you by Boss Coder. Today we have Arushi with us. Hi Arushi, can you please give a quick introduction about yourself?
Yeah. So, hello everyone. My name is Arushi, and I'm a third year student of National Institute of Technology, Delhi. And my stream is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So, other than DSA, I like playing badminton and kabaddi. And recently, I have received summer internship offers for the SDE role from Atlassian as well as Amazon.
Lovely, lovely. That's so cool, Arushi, and congratulations on your offer. I hope you get lots of success in your career. So thank you so much. All right. So let's start with the first question. Can you tell me what challenges were you facing before joining Boss Coder?
Yeah. So actually, I was not much interested in coding in my first year of the college. I was just exploring different fields in order to know where my interest actually aligns. Even I learned C++ during my first year semester break only. And the only reason why I did that because everyone else was doing. So then I switched from coding to start preparing for GATE in my third semester, GATE through electrical, because
Wow.
I was not sure I was not sure where my interest aligns, so I just wanted to try my hands on every options. So, but I realized that I don't really enjoy studying for GATE. So I finally decided to start with coding and to give coding as to pursue coding as my career in my fourth semester only. So I finally decided to have a career in this sector, but I actually don't know what to learn, how to learn, and someday I just pick up a topic, watch some random YouTube tutorial, and I started practicing on HackerRank. I also started giving long challenges on CodeChef, but I realized that I'm just practicing what I already know, and I'm not just learning anything new. There is a lot more things in DSA, and I'm not even paying attention to those topics. So somewhere I was lacking a proper guidance. I just needed someone to guide me, because I was very stressed about that, like how to proceed, what all topics I need to cover in order to crack such tech giants. And I also left preparing for GATE, so that was also a kind of stressed over my mind. So I just needed a well structured course, and now I can say that joining Boss Coder I consider as the best decision of my life I have taken so far. Yeah.
That's great, yeah. So I feel it's a pretty common thing among a lot of people because they're dangling somewhere in between, right? Because we don't have a clarity of what exactly we're supposed to pursue. And there's so many options available out there that we just, get stuck about whether we should go in this direction or that direction, things like that. So it's perfectly normal
Yeah, yeah.
for the first year of college to, be
Yeah,
in that
yeah,
state.
that's perfectly fine. Just try
Great.
your hands on everything, every option, and then decide what actually your interest is.
Great, great. That's a very useful piece of advice. Thank you so much for that, Arushi. All right, so we'll move on to the second question. Arushi, can you tell me how did you come to know about Boss Coder and what exactly made you join the organization?
Yeah, so actually, one day I just woke up and I was scrolling LinkedIn, and I just came through a post of one of my seniors saying that she has selected for SD intern at Mintra, and thanks to Boss Coder and like that. So I was just desperate to know about Boss Coder, because I was also looking for something similar to similar to that, like someone who can teach me DSA. So I instantly messaged her and took out a time to call her. So she told me about Boss Code, कि, okay, this thing they will teach, and they provide a personalized mentorship. And from there only I came to know about Boss Coder.
All right, and what made you join this thing? Like, was there anything particular which intrigued you a lot about Boss Coder?
Yeah. So before joining Boss Coder, as I told you that I was very much confused. I was not even sure what I'm going to do next. So even I was afraid that if I will ever be able to clear online assessments. So the major thing which why I joined Boss Coder is that because the classes they took are very interactive, and the best thing is that if you have some doubt over some topic or anything, you just need to pick your question and just ping it in the group, and you will instantly get the solution and get the points where you are lacking. And the course curriculum is designed in such a way that if you just blindly follow whatever is taught in the class, if you consistently solve assignments, homework problems, get your doubts clear, and if you practice mock interviews with your mentors, then I can say that you will eventually going to land up in your dream company for sure. And no other course I have seen is more personalized than that of Boss Coder. You will be assigned a mentor. Mentor will be some person who is already working at your dream company. And actually, my mentor works at Google right now, and he has previously
Okay,
worked at Amazon.
wonderful. So would you say that the course was completely crafted as per your need, and which enabled you to perform better and solve basically your thought process was aligned how to solve problems which were exactly as in the dream company which you were aiming for, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Great, great. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next question, Arushi. Can you tell me how exactly did Boss Coder help you achieve your dreams?
Yeah, so after joining Boss Coder, I think that my life has come to the track. I am able to manage multiple things at the same time. I had this fear that I'll not be able to explain my approach to anyone if somehow some approach comes to my mind. But after practicing mock interviews with my mentor, I'm able to figure out what are my weaknesses and what are my strengths. That has actually helped me to crack interviews. And I just believe in the philosophy that if you work hard, you will eventually see the results. So yeah, Boss Coder is the only thing because of which I am able to crack these, and I'm able to reach here wherever I am today.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. So it definitely did enable you to perform better and learn from your weaknesses and improve on them basically, right? All right,
Yeah.
great. Arushi, can you tell me what is your feedback for the entire course which you just went through?
Yeah, so before joining Boss Coder, there were a lots of confusion over my mind related to some question or the general things, anything. I was just very much confused about the interviews. And I would, after joining Boss Coder, I can say that I would definitely recommend to whosoever is planning to take the course, because mock interviews have helped me pointing out my mistakes and flaws, and also gave me confidence and strength to clear the actual interviews. And even in my actual interviews, it felt like okay, this is just the mock interview with my mentor, and he's not going to judge me if I give some wrong approach. So yeah, and one thing is you just follow the course and take your mentor's feedback positively and seriously, and you are going to crack each tech giant.
That's amazing. So, I mean, definitely mock interview is something which helps people a lot to get a grasp on that coding zone, right? Like in that 1 hour, you're supposed to solve two questions, and it basically tells you how exactly you should go about it. And to prepare a certain mindset for that interview is also very important, I believe, which is taken care by the mock interviews. So, thank you so much for
Yeah.
that. Arushi, you've told a lot about Boss Coder and the benefits which you've gained from, joining this organization and learning from the curriculum and everything. So, how much rating will you give the entire course? And if you have any points for the future joinees, probably you can share them with us also.
Okay, so before joining Boss Coder, I also have some queries over my mind regarding Boss Coder only. So I would say that if you are planning to join, just give it a try. There is nothing to lose, right? You will get your complete money back even after 15 days if you are not liking the course. So just give it a try. And actually, there were some of the hypes over my mind regarding interviews, and I used to feel that since my background is not computer science, I don't have a very good project to talk about in the interviews. So I used to think that I will never be able to end up getting a good internship. And I will surely going to be rejected if somehow I reach the interview because I don't have very fancy tech stacks to talk about. But this is not the actual thing. It is just that if your DSA speaks, nothing else matter. Just uh, be very clear with your approach. Just be very clear with the programming concepts. Think out loud. Whatever approach is coming to your mind, just say it to the interviewer. And it is not like that this field is for computer science people only. If you have interest and if you want to pursue your career in this field, you will yeah, you will definitely land up getting a good job.
Great. And how much would you rate the entire course?
Yeah, so this is the best course I can say. It is perfectly fine. In just one course, in 6 months, you will be completely prepared for the placements or internships, whether it be related to system design, DSA, coding, computer fundamental, all thing in just one course. So yeah, that's really great about this course.
So would you say it's a one-step platform for all the problems out there, and it's very well been encapsulated into a single module, which is handed out to all
Yeah,
the students out
absolutely.
there. Great, great. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Arushi. Those were wise words that you spoke about, and I think I would want to stress on the fact that this field is not restricted to the people coming just from computer science background. It's for everybody and anybody out there who is willing to learn. I think there's a lot of scope in this field, and people should definitely show more interest into this. So, thank you so much, Arushi.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. It's a pleasure being here. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you so much.